Hello, I'm Chloe, and today I'll be teaching you how I became a VTuber for free. Well, almost free. All you need is a webcam and a computer and you're set. Everything you need will be linked in the description. First, you need vtuber Studio. vtuber Studio is a free program that allows you to easily create a 3D model. This is where we're going to be making our VTuber. You can edit the proportions to your liking. You can draw your own textures, and if you're not particularly artistic, you can also just import your own textures from Booth like I did here. Just make sure you've read the artist's conditions, like if they want credit or not, and also follow any directions that they recommend here. Once you're done creating your VTuber, you need to export it as a VRM here. Now, you need to open Steam and install 3T. 3T is a free tracking program. It's definitely not mind-blowing technology, but it works well. Once you're in 3T, it might be in a language that you don't understand. To change the language, we're going to go to the gear icon here. Now click System, and then change it to the language that you prefer, in my case, English. So when you open 3T, you will not have your model sitting here. Now on the left, we want to go to the people icon. To import your model into 3T, you need to click this, and then select your VRM. Now, you need to click the picture icon on the right, and you need to turn all of these options on. Now you should be tracking. If you go here, you can tweak the way that your model moves and reacts to your lips and how it lip syncs. So I recommend just playing with this until you found something that you like. Now that you're tracking, you need to go to this bow icon right here and change the color of the background to a color that does not appear anywhere on your model. We're making a green screen. In my case, I will be choosing purple because it does not appear anywhere on my model. If you have green or blue on your model, do not use these. Just go for a different color. Now you need OBS Studio. OBS Studio is going to be our recording program. Now that you're in OBS Studio, you're going to need to go here and create a source. Select Game Capture. Capture a specific window, and choose 3T. Now you need to go over here and select Filters. Create a new one, select Color Key. When selecting a color, you need to match it to your background in 3T. I recommend just copying and pasting the color code. Now that you have the color in, close, and you should be transparent now. Sorry, this is very, very messy. Now on the sides right here, you need to hold Alt and drag this to crop it. You can resize this window however you like and just put it wherever you want. You need to make sure that 3T is always on the top, or else your VTuber is going to be underneath whatever window you're trying to capture and it won't show up. It kind of works like layers. Now you need to create another source and select window capture or whatever works for the program you're going to be streaming or recording. You select it from here. And again, make sure 3T is on top and whatever game you're playing. On OBS, you can connect it to Twitch. You can just record it and upload it onto YouTube. So just use it however you see fit. I hope this helps. So that's it for my tutorial. I tried to make this pretty quick and concise, so I apologize if you're left with unanswered questions. I'm a beginner too, so I'm just trying to tell people what I know. I do apologize for my mic quality throughout this video. I know it's really bad, and I plan on getting a new mic soon. I'm not going to beg for anything, but I would highly appreciate it if you gave this video some support somehow and maybe subscribed, but it is up to you. On this channel, I want to play video games, I want to live stream, I want to talk about art, there's just a lot of things I want to do, and I'm hoping that someone out there will like it. Okay, that's all.